Alienware 16 Aurora, too overpowered for a laptop? 2025 Gaming Beast. Ever sat at your desk, hands on WASD, only to feel your machine choke, right when the match heats up? Frame drops, crashes, overheating, like your laptop secretly conspires against you. Creativity stalls, games lag, motivation drains. Hours wasted rebooting instead of winning. And you start asking, is it me? Or are my tools just holding me hostage? Deadlines loom, streams stutter, and your team yells while your rig melts under pressure. Burnout creeps in, missed opportunities, failed clips, ruined recordings. Stress becomes the boss fight you can't win. The gear you trusted betrays you, and it's not just performance, it's your confidence on the line. When hardware breaks focus, passion itself starts slipping through your fingers. Enter the Dell Alienware 16 Aurora Gaming Laptop, 2025, a beast disguised as portable tech. Inside, Intel Core 7240H10 core processor blasting up to 5.2 GHz, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5068 GB, 32 GB DDR5 RAM, and 1 TB SSD that loads games before your coffee cools. The 16-inch WQXGA 120Hz anti-glare display, smooth, vivid, razor-sharp. And the cooling? Alienware Cryo-Tech engineering keeps performance high, temps low. One gamer wrote, maxed out Cyberpunk at native 1600p, still buttery smooth. Another, my desktop stayed off for weeks. This laptop replaced it. Picture this, streaming, gaming, and editing side by side without a single hiccup. No throttling, no compromise, just full throttle immersion wrapped in sleek Interstellar Indigo with iconic Aurora lighting. Finally, a laptop that doesn't ask you to lower settings, it dares you to push them higher. This isn't just specs, it's liberation. Imagine workflows snapping into place, streams running flawless, AAA titles maxed without sweat. Experts rave. Cryo-Tech cooling allows sustained high performance without thermal throttling, a rarity in gaming laptops. Influencers cheer, desktop power in a portable shell, plug in, dominate, pack up. Analysts call it the refined hybrid machine, gaming and creative workloads in perfect balance. Real users back it up, snappy editing, no crashes, battery lasted through my commute streaming. Keyboard feels desktop tier, finally typing bliss. And that screen? Reviewers gush. The 16:10 display is a productivity cheat code. More space, more immersion. Add Dolby Atmos audio, per-key Alien FX lighting, and Wi-Fi 7. Suddenly, this isn't just gear, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Sure, it's premium, but so is the leap it gives you. Who wants to wrestle with lag when you could bend performance to your will? Don't wonder why thousands rave. See for yourself. Limited stock. Serious gamers and creators aren't waiting, and neither should you. Grab the Alienware 16 Aurora today. Join thousands already gaming harder, creating faster, and streaming smoother. Don't settle for burnout when desktop-class power fits in your backpack. Act now before supply vanishes. The future of play, work, and performance is calling. Seize your chance, unlock your arena, and make this Alienware your ultimate victory gear.